let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling it for you.
What is up, you guys? It's Night Diamonds here, and I'm back again another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, and make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my previous videos if you haven't. Also, if you have yet to see this vlog, go and check out that vlog. I do have another parade I'm going to the Trinidad parade, so expect a vlog of that. And I may go to the Grenada festival thing, so if I do, I would vlog that as well and post it. So just expect some fun, exciting, I guess, vlogs. And then until Eastern Parkway vlog comes. But so I am going to be doing the Brooklyn Nets inspired makeup look. If y'all don't know, I started the series where I was doing NBA inspired looks. I already did the Warriors, Lakers, and New York Knicks. So if you haven't seen them, check out this playlist right here. I will leave the playlist in the description box down below. So now I am doing Brooklyn Nets. I'm using my ColourPop Brooklyn Nets palette. And y'all let me know what other teams y'all would like me to do, because since I already got those out the way, y'all let me know what other teams y'all want me to do. And yeah, because the only other team I know is the Caves. Yeah, I really don't know any other. I think there's one that's called Phoenix or something. Chicago Bulls, I know is one. But yeah, y'all just let me know which other team y'all want me to do. But okay, so here are the shades. I already have makeup on my face, so we just going straight into the eyes. So okay, this is gonna be a little hard because, you know, with black you have to really be careful with, because blending it, if you put too much blending, it can be a bit hard. So let me just and I do have a haul coming, guys. I just have to wait for some stuff to come in. Most likely y'all see the haul maybe next week. You guys will see it. Yeah, maybe next week. I don't know yet, because I want it to be like a big haul. I don't want it to be like a small haul for you guys, because I know you guys like bigger hauls better. So maybe next week, if not next week, the week after, you guys will see a haul. So yeah, I haven't been buying that much stuff. I've been trying to relax on spending too much. Like, of course I do buy stuff, but I just don't want to overdo it. So you guys will begin a haul pretty soon. It's so hot in here, you guys. I'm like in a different room right now. I'm not in my typical room doing my video, so yeah. Yeah, I've been seeing like Five Below has like a lot of figures now. Like, I know Coraline is like one of their most popular ones, which I want to get. And I see so many other ones. I don't know. I love me some figures. I love figures, and I want to start collecting them. So yeah, like I'm like a girly girl, but I also like, you know, things that boys will like too. So I've always been like that since I was younger. So you might, sometimes at my hauls, you might see me unbox figures or show you guys figures or whatever like that. But yeah, I don't want to go too much with the vlog, because it is hard. It's not easy to work with, for me at least. So okay, let me see how this white looks. I don't think I've used this before. I'm pretty sure I just a basic white. I don't know, it's just a white with shimmer. That's actually really pretty, because I was gonna dig into like the silver, but this is cute. That's cute. It's actually really nice. First time I'm using this. It's like a white matte, but it has like sparkles in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. And I realize I haven't been posting as much, you guys. I apologize for that. My watch time hours are going up, which I'm very happy about, because I'm so close to 4,000 watch time hours to get monetized again. I've been literally watching. Now, no, I've been letting my videos run on my other phone, and it's been doing great. You know, if you guys want to join in and help me get there faster, much appreciated. Too, you know, I have a lot of playlists that you can choose from, so I feel like I will get monetized at least before this year's over. Maybe in September or October I can see myself getting monetized again. I mean, at least reaching 4,000 watch time hours, maybe. I know they're raising it up to 8,000. I think next year or something. Hopefully by then I'm close to even that, so that I'm not taken off of it again, because that would really suck. You know? And I think for the silver, I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. My brow bone and my inner corner. Right there. Cute. I like it. Let me put some blush on. But yeah, you guys, be expecting some fun, exciting vlogs, you know. This is the She Glam blush, by the way. Forgot what shade this is, but I know there's like 3 of them. But yeah, expect the vlogs. I have my Trini shirt coming soon, so, because I'm trying to figure out what the date is, if it's the 23rd or the 30th, because there's 2 different dates going on. A lot of people telling me it's the 30th, but what if it also is on the 23rd as well? I don't want to end up missing that. You know, I already missed whatever happened in Times Square. I don't want to miss This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, by the way. And then, you know, my foundation I typically use for the summertime is the Maybelline Fit Me. And then my brows or the Shot Miss 8 pomade that I typically use. And you know, one thing about pomade that I realized, they could be like this small. Well, I can't really do it because I have this hand, but they could be small. But I'm telling you, they will last you for a while. I used to wonder why the higher brands would sell them for a lot more when they're that small. But I'm telling you, a pomade could last you like even up to a year, depending on how much you use. So if you wanted that ABH pomade, go and get it, because it will last. It lasts you longer than the eyebrow pencil. I go through eyebrow pencils very quickly. Eyebrow pencils, I'm saying if you're using it consistently a lot, it will last you a week or two. It won't even last you that long. And I don't even think it's worth paying $18, $20, $30 for an eyebrow pencil. That's not gonna last that long. Okay. Now I'm gonna do black lips. I'm using my NYX Lingerie XXL. This is the shade Naughty Noir. I don't know, maybe putting black lips would be too much, but I'm like, okay, the colors are technically black and white. Maybe a little silver if you want to add silver in there, but like, should the lips also be this color? Let's just see. I have a lip oil on already, but I'm sure it'll be fine to put on top. And I moved my lips too much. Not that bad. I would say putting it over the lip oil was stupid. Yeah, plus like it's like kind of wiping it away. Hang on, y'all. Alright, you guys. So this is the final look. Probably should put black eyeliner on, right?